Hey guys, this is Rizana Pritam and welcome to my channel Prince. So in this channel I'm showing you the step-by-step way how to modify a stylized pose, how to draw a basic illustration pose, all these things. So you guys have shown some figure and you have done really well, I must say. So I have noticed one thing that your face is little bit of disturbing, like now in this stage your garment is super cool, your croquis, your stylized pose is okay, but similarly your face is not okay. Like as I always say, the presentation is the most important thing, so that's why you have to have your illustration croquis face, that eyes, nose, lips, hairstyles is, it will be very good, so that will attract your designs, that will attract your customers and your well wisher. So that's why you have to have your face hairstyle will be super cool. So in this video I'm gonna show how to make all these things very clearly. Okay, there are 3 simple steps. Just draw your oval shape, just then break point, then just draw eye line, nose line and lips line. It's the simple process I'm gonna show you. So let's do it. So as I said, first I need to draw the oval shape like this. You can overlap little bit to make it perfect. See, I'm just overlapping it. Your 2 sides needs to be perfect. This side and this side will be same. See, and from here I'm just doing little bit of perfect. It needs to be like head, so that's why I'm doing this. See, now I need to draw the break point. See how I'm doing. This is the break point, and from here I need to draw this straight and curve. See, I'm always doing the both sides similarly. See, like this. How I'm doing the left side, I'm doing the right side as it is. See, my oval face break point is ready. Now I need the 3rd step, eye line, nose line and the lip line, like this. See, I need to visualize the front line, and then I'm just doing the freehand sketch of eyebrow like this. See, like this. I'm doing the left eyebrow too, like this. And now I'm doing the upper lips. See, the upper lips I'm doing like this. I just need to take the plates. There are 3 plates. See, 1, 2 and 3. See, I'm just joining the plates. You need to follow the plates, and this line will little bit look like lips, any normal lips, like this. See, and like this I will draw the left eye as it is. You need to follow your own work, and then you need to do the other side. See, I'm just doing the same as I did in the right side. See the eyeball, and now I need to draw the nose. See, we just need to visualize this straight line and like this. See, I'm just finding the plates I'm just following the basic criteria how it can be. I don't know, still I don't know that how it will look like, but I'm just following the basic criteria, and whatever it will be great. I know you need to be very confident about your work. See, now I am doing the lips. See, do like this V and like this. See, this will be little bit of curve here. I'm gonna do it as puppet lips. See, I'm always overlapping one after another. See, to make it very perfect. I need to satisfy myself. That's the thing you can do. You need to satisfy yourself. You have the competition with you. See, I am just doing the eyeball like this, as it is, as I did in the other side. See, you can find the eye. It's so charming. Now 1/3 of your head you need to draw the hairstyle. You can do any kind of hairstyles, not mandatory. See, I am doing with little bit of stroke. Some simple single stroke can make a beautiful hairstyle. I'm not doing any kind of shadings or anything. I'm just doing the stroke. I'm just following the fall of the hair, how it can fall. So you just need to play with your pencils like this. See how easily, how smooth I am doing the strokes like this, like this. See, now the neck portion, no, it's like this. See, you can see the hairstyle. Now I just need to cover up the light and darker shade of the hairstyle. My overall sketching is complete. Now I need to just light and dark shade to make it attractive. See, like this I'm doing. This portion will be little darker. See, which portion I need to dark. I'm not making it dark in one step. I'm just doing 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 3 stroke with variety strokes, because it's hair, so there are many varieties types of balls. So that's why I'm just doing single strokes from beginning to end. You need to draw the strokes. See how smoothly I'm doing the strokes. You need to observe the light and darker shade. You need to visualize from which side your light can become, and with this you can just do the light and darker shade. See, this portion will be darker, so that's why I'm doing darker. See, I'm doing this second stroke. This is called second tone. In fine arts it's called first tone, second tone, third tone, like this. See, now I am doing the high dark point. Whenever you need to focus and any specific place, you need to dark the other side, so the opposite side will automatically visible. That's I'm doing. I need to focus on the face, so that's why I'm just darkening the hairstyle. I need to dark the opposite sides so that I can make it attractive on the face. See, like this I'm doing. See, I'm doing little bit of dark tone on the face. Just follow the fall and you can find where you need to dark and where you leave the page. See, I'm not darkening the full hair. I'm just making it dark little bit so that just making it attractive. See, I'm doing the lips little bit darker. You need to draw little bit of darker on the both side of the lips to make it little smiley. See, I'm finding the eyebrow needs little bit of dark shade. See how I'm doing the eyebrow like this, and I'm thinking to make little bit of darker like this. See, the break point, it's not properly visible. See, now it's visible. You just need to hear from your own voice. It's up to you. How much time you will give to your sketch, it will look much better. See how I am doing the shades. It's not necessary, but still I am doing the face, so that's why I am doing little bit of depth on it. See, this is the fourth tone I am doing. See, now your eyes, nose and lips are very much visible because of those dark tone. See, now it looks really nice. I'm thinking little bit of eyelashes like this. See, now it's like more attractive. Now I'm doing the most dark point. I'm finding it. See, like this. The hair portion is little bit of visible, so that's why I'm just covering it. See, if you have this type of face on your cookie, and if you done your designs is very simple, even that time also your garment will be look so attractive with this face. Without this type of face, you can't make your garment that much attractive. See, so that's it. Hey, so how is it? I hope you like it. So just remember one thing, that you have to have a unique hairstyle, you have to have a unique eyeline or anything. It must be your style. So that's why it's called signature style. I have discussed in my previous video, you can check it from my playlist. So I hope you like this. If you like the way I am showing you the presentations, so you can just like me and subscribe this channel so that you can get me in first morning. So it's time to bye. Okay, so bye, good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are in this beautiful world. So bye.